Hi there. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're about to embark on an informative journey into the intricate world of warehouse racking and how it impacts the efficiency of your operations. We will dig into the types of racking systems, their design and uses, and how they fit into your warehouse's overall scheme. You'll learn how to choose the right racking system for your inventory process and the technology that can maximize its efficiency. Let's dive into the world of warehouse racking. So what is it exactly? Warehouse racking is the system of shelves, their configuration, and location within the physical structure that's needed to hold your inventory items. These racks can be made from a variety of materials, like plastic, metal, or wood. They play a crucial role in how easy it is to store and retrieve your inventory items, and they can significantly impact how efficiently your warehouse operates. Now, there are several types of racking systems. The most popular one is called selective racking. In this system, the aisles can be quite narrow as they only need to provide enough space for a single pallet to move through. Whether it's employees or robotic picking systems, items are selected from the aisle and they are only one pallet deep. But what if your warehouse requires dense storage? Well, you might want to consider a drive-in or drive-through racking system. The system you choose will depend on your inventory process. For instance, if you use a last-in, first-out process for low-turnover items, you'll want a drive-in racking system. But if you stock items that have a use-by date and follow a first-in, first-out process, you'll want a drive-through racking system. There's another racking system that's perfect for last-in, first-out processes and high-density storage. It's called the pushback rack. These racks are typically as deep as 2 to 5 pallets and can move the rows forward or back on rails and carts, depending on inventory volume. And if you're looking for something similar to pushback racks, there are gravity racks. These operate in a vertical plane, receiving new goods at the top and dispensing older goods from the bottom. But remember, racking is just one part of the overall system. Labeling, barcoding, or RFID technology need to be used in tandem with centralized computerized maintenance management system software. This is essential for your racking system to work efficiently so that inventory can be accessed and managed effectively. So as you can see, warehouse racking is a crucial part of any successful maintenance and operations team. And that brings us to the end of our journey into the world of warehouse racking. We've explored the different types of racking systems, their uses, and how they can impact your operations. Remember, the right racking system, coupled with effective inventory management technology, can significantly improve your warehouse's efficiency. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more informative videos. For additional resources and to learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com.